Elite Meditech M303 patient monitor, and let's talk about the application of this monitor. This is the back view of this monitor. This is the port for main power cord connection, and this is the side view. This is for NIBP, this port is for ECG, this is for temperature, and this is for SpO2. This is the front view. The screen size is 8 inches, and let's turn on the monitor. This is the on off key. These are the battery indicators. Now right now the monitor is on battery backup. This key is for power alarm pause. This is for freezing the waveforms. This is for taking NIBP, and this is for going in the main menu. This is the rotatory knob. So if you want to select and go to the option, so you can go with this rotatory knob. The battery backup of this unit is up to 7 hours, and total weight of this monitor is around 2.2 kg. So right now the monitor is on demo mode. So as you can see, this is the heart rate, and this is the selection for adult, pediatric or neonate. So if you want to change adult to pediatric or to the neonate, you can go to the patient category here and select on that, and you will get 3 options, and you can go on these options. This is the SpO2, this is the temperature, this is the NIBP, and here these are the soft keys. This is for going on the left. This is for patient set. If you want to set the patient or patient type, so you can go in this menu. This is for NIBP, and this is for event. If you want to check the events, this key is for freezing the waveforms, and these are for these keys are for switch, and this is for going into the right. This is for alarm pause, and this is for going in the main menu. So in the main menu you will get this patient setup, review, calculate, mark event, monitor information, and this is for demo. These are the alarm setup, so you can set alarm also. This is the screen setup, and these are the accessories of this monitor. This is the SpO2 probe, and this is the ECG probe. This is the NIBP tubing. This is the NIBP cuff. This is the earthing cable, and this is the temperature probe, and this is these are the electrodes. This is the manual, and this is power cord.